Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set icon on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and currently I'm using this icon and I'm going to show you how we can change or set icon on our Samsung Galaxy phone. First of all, you need to go to your settings guys, and then you have to go to Galaxy theme. You can go to the themes right here and then go to the icons. Okay, this one. This is for the icons menu, and you can get free icon by filter it. I'm just going to search for the icon. I'm going to search for the cute icon, and to get free icon you can select this folder, and then you just need to click on top free. Okay, and choose the icon you want to apply to your Samsung Galaxy phone. For instance, I'm just going to choose this one. We can tap on the icon we want to use and then download the icon first before you apply it to your Samsung Galaxy phone, then click on apply. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my icon has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to set icon on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.